Welcome back to Shan Studio. So today I am doing a quick natural makeup for new beginners. It's just a quick way to just do your makeup. As you can see, I did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going to actually just put on my foundation. So I'm just doing a quick video of how to put on your makeup to make it just look more natural. I try always go for a more natural look, like almost like an everyday look. So let's get into this video, guys. So I'm gonna use my Il Maquillage, and I'm also going to use my NARS foundation in medium dark. So this shade is a little bit too dark for me right now, and this one's a little bit too light for me because this is more like my winter color. So, and this one I accidentally got the wrong one, so I'm gonna combine the two, and that would actually be my shade for the summertime. So all I do is take a little bit of the my NARS foundation, and I just take a little bit, and my face is already primed and done everything, and then I just take a little bit of my Il Maquillage and I put it on there. And what I do, I go in with my brush and I just kind of mix it in. So when I mix it in, I get in the middle, so it kind of, so there, that's the color I get. So you see, it's almost like the color of my arm. It's a good way to test it too. On here they always say, well, so I just use this, dip it in the foundation, and I just go along. So I generally like to start underneath my eyes. For me, I like to more foundation is generally underneath my eyes, and then you see the dark spots on my face, and all I do is just I take it and I dab. So I dab it in. So I just dab the foundation in, and that's pretty much it. See, and technically I look fine. I don't even need to do anything else, really and truly, but I just want a little bit more tad of, you know, a touch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake my face, and I'm going to do a little bit of a light nude color over my eyes, and then I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and that's pretty much it I'm gonna do. So let me just finish this, and then we will get to the other part. So I'm just gonna tap in, go in with a bit of setting powder, and I'm just going to set my face. So I'm setting it, and I usually just set the areas that I sweat the. All right, so I'm just gonna finish and just set it and make sure this baby is just laid good, and then I sweat up here. So right, so set the T-zone, even though like it does already make my eye look popping. Any color like a nude, or I put over my eyes, it already looks like it's. I'm gonna use my spoolie here, and I'm gonna comb out my lashes. Try an eyelash curler would work good, but I just try to comb out, so when I put on my mascara, my eyelash don't clump together. I hate that clumpy look on my eyelash when I do it. So that does the trick for now, but I need to get something to better do that. So definitely for the next one I will try and do that as well. Sorry, and as I'm going, I'm slowly packing away things as well. So I'm gonna go in with my mascara and do my mascara. So let me look in the mirror to make sure that I don't poke myself in the eye. I don't know if you can see there. So I go on top when I do it, and I also go on the bottom as well when I do my mascara. So that's how I generally do it. But let me fix this one. Okay, you see they're clumping together. All right, and as you guys see, there we go. So they're not clumping. So you see the difference between this one not done and then this one, whole lot different. So let me do the other one. And there you go. So that is the quick trick to make your eyelashes look fake, you know, without looking fake. I brush them out so I get like a nice, and then I do the top, and then I go do the bottom as well. So there you go, as you guys can see. All right, so I quickly did that. So once I'm finished that, now what I'm going to do is I am just going to use my other Vanity Planet brush. This is the powder brush. So the powder brush, and what I do, I gently just sweep all of this excess powder away off my face. So I'm just gonna sweep it away, right? So you can sweep it away, and then same thing at the top. You just sweep it. Okay, I'm gonna sweep. And there you guys have it. So, and there you guys have it. So that was a quick 10 minutes how to quickly do a simple look. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna style my hair quickly, and I am ready for the day. Okay, and I'm gonna take my hair down. So I'm gonna take my hair down, and I got my spray bottle here. And I'm just gonna spray some of my homemade solution in my hair to revamp this bad boy, because my hair hasn't been sprayed. I go in with my white toothbrush and I just comb it out quickly. All right. Okay. And the good thing, it just, even when the hair is tangled, it makes it soft. So it just literally will, after a while, it just starts gliding through your hair. And that's what I love about my little home treatment. I use it on my wigs to keep my wigs them going, looking healthy, shiny, brand new. As I say, fresh out the box. And I also use it on my hair. I use it on my kids' hair, because it grows my natural hair. So it's just a remedy that I've been using for years, and I find it helps, and it has grown my hair tremendously. Especially with, and for those that don't know, I did cut off all my hair, pretty much almost all my hair. I did a short style because my natural hair was damaged, and I cut it in December of last year, and then I ended up cutting it again in February, and I re-permed it, but now I'm going back natural, and all I've been using is just that product, and I wash and I put my hair in protective style, and my hair has grown tremendously since then. So look, as you can see, and then I just take off the hair tie and just fix the front like that. And I like to have that nice wave at the top for my hair. So, and there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video tutorial and my quick unraveling of making my hair a little bit better. So this is what the final product looks like. As you can see, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will catch you in the next one.